how to apply a brushstroke so it appears from one side to the other side of a document. So if you apply over here, it will continue on the left side as well. So it appears as a seamless design. Well, I'm going to show you how, PC or Mac in Affinity Photo. Go to the Layers panel and then just go here. Just click here and add a pixel layer. It will work with other pixel layers, but if you haven't got anything, just add a pixel layer. Then go to Edit and then Fill with primary color, or just use the fill. I'm just going to go with that. So it sets it to white. It needs to be filled with white or black, etc. Now you can go here to Layer and New Pattern Layer from Selection. And that will create a pattern layer. Now that fills the entire document. It fills all the way around over here. And now just apply the brush stroke. So here's the brush. And I'm just going to apply a round brush. And I drag. And as I do that, you'll notice what happens. It appears on the left side as I continue on the right side. Or I go over here and I can drag upwards. And you can see it appears at the bottom as well. And also drag here. You can see it turns up in the corners of this document. Now, this will work with any brush. So if I just go over here, and I've got a couple of different brushes here, let's just go down here, this sort of one. So double click, let's just quickly change it, change the scattering, so it shows it slightly easier, and also change the size jitter, and also the size, so it's not so big. Click close. And now when I apply it, I can just drag, and you can see as I do that, it will then appear on the other side, and it will match exactly. So you can see there, the blue there of that brush, it's over there, is blue there. And if I continue again, let's just apply that. Again, you can see that red, orange color there, that appears over there. And it will do exactly the same if I go upwards or if I go downwards that way. And you can create all kinds of seamless designs with these brush strokes. Now, also what you can do is you can turn this into a slightly smaller pattern design. Simply go over here with the pattern layer selected, then go to Filters, and then down here to Distort and Affine. Great little filter. So Affine, just select that. And now what you can do is you've got this scale. You can also rotate it, etc. But you can scale it. And I'm just going to put that to say 50 and 50 as well. And I've got wrap there. Doesn't particularly matter. I'm just going to go with Apply. And now let's just go and select a different brush. I'm just going to go one of these ink brushes maybe. Let's go inks, select one of those and just apply it. You can see there, now when I apply it, again, it goes exactly the same way. It appears at the bottom and you can just drag there. But all of this other design is still seamless. It's still a pattern design that repeats off to eternity. And of course, what you can do, you can always go here with the Move tool and you can just resize it. Now, once you've done that, obviously it's changed, but it's still exactly the same. You can still apply brush strokes and it will still continue off like that. So let's just go over here to the brush tool again, exactly same. You can just drag there, but now you'll notice what happens. You get it appearing here as well as here and here. So as soon as you resize it, it's not exactly the same as it was at the start point. So all you need to do is create a new layer. With that layer, just fill it with something. It could be black, green, blue, etc. Then just turn it into a pattern layer via the layer menu and then use brush strokes. If you found this of use, please let me know in the comments below. Bye.